नमस्ते। एस्ट्रो रेमेडी जंक्शन में आपका स्वागत है। दिस इज डॉक्टर अमित अर्षद मेहता। टुडे आई हैव बॉट अ टॉपिक that is related to obesity. As you know that due to obesity you can have many other diseases such as high blood pressure, depression, knee problems and many other diseases. The main reason for obesity is wrong food habits, hypothyroid, hereditary diseases that is going on in our family. From our parents it can come to the children due to the depressions, lot of sleep. So these are the main reasons of obesity. So I will give you one simple remedy that can cure the obesity. You can see the result within the few days, and within 2-3 months you can lose too much weight which is there inside the body in the form of bad fats. Obesity is mostly caused due to the planet Jupiter. If the planet Jupiter is in your Lagna ascendant, or your ascendant is Dhanu, Sagittarius or Meena Lagna, so it can be there that the obesity is due to that thing also. But the remedy which I am going to give can cure your obesity disease forever. But for that you have to actually do it for 2-3 months. But it can start showing you results within the few days. At first you will start feeling very light weighted, and after that the bad fats whichever is there in the body will actually get removed outside the body through the sweats, through the urine. So just you have to do one thing. You have to actually purchase this kind of a water bottle. It is a plastic water bottle. You can actually purchase a glass water bottle also, but the color, this is the pink color, but you have to purchase the blue color which is there in the rainbow. Purchase the water bottle of the blue color, fill it with water and keep it in the sunlight for 4 to 5 hours. After that you have to drink that water only. You can fill such 3-4 water bottles so that for the whole day you are drinking that water only. So within few days you will see that your obesity problems, the fats that is accumulated in the body, will get less and less day by day, and you will be completely cured from all your various diseases that is due to the obesity. So please try this remedy. You can get nowhere because this is the researched remedy, and many people have already been cured with this remedy, this simple remedy. If you like my video, then please subscribe, press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I am posting a new video. So thank you very much. Namaskar.